got this old truck I bought a long time ago. My dad and I restored it one time. Been quite a while back. From me, it broke down one day and was in the backyard, and I went to fix it. It had started getting multiple problems, and then time moved on, and it got away from me. So now, you know how they say time and money, you never have both at the same time? Well, my dad retired, he's got time. And I don't have time. Don't know about the money part yet. But we're going to try to restore it, or he's going to do the majority of it. Today I'm going to go with him to some old junk trucks and park. We're after this corner here out of an old cab that it's pretty decent in. We're going to try to restore it. People, and they're cleaning out this place. Got these two big trucks on them. I know it don't look like much, but you see that piece right there? That's what I need in my truck. We can cut this out. We're going to plan on salvaging the windshields too. Was hoping for a steering column and a good steering wheel to replace the one in mine, but no, I don't think that's worth the effort. But that right there is what we're after today, and the windshield, because we cracked one, and whatever else I can salvage, which doesn't look like much. And there is another one back here too. We're going to try to take that piece out of both of them. That way, if we mess one of them up, we can do that as well. He's going to fire up the loader, and we're going to move this one. Get it out of the way. Got the windshield out. I want to try to save that because we cracked the other one. And then the same thing with this one. That piece there is what I'm after. Yeah, there's a seam out there, but there ain't one in here.